In our previous episode, we shared our incredible tiger sighting experience of Mamla and Lohara buffer zones. And in this episode, we will explore Devara buffer zone in Moharli. But before that, let's talk about why Tadoba is an icon when it comes to wildlife experiences. Tadoba, we all know, boasts the title of Tiger Capital of India. But it is also one of the rare tiger reserves in India that genuinely does not feel commercial. In a country where wildlife tourism is a highly commercialized activity and feels more like a money trap, Tadoba's management has built something truly remarkable. Safari jeeps are capped in number, tickets are available only on Maharashtra Forest Department's government website, and there is absolutely no priority system for resorts or agencies. Every tourist stands equal here, but you need to plan at least 4 months prior if you want to get the zones of your choice. We were late, so we got what was available just 2 months before the trip, but there are absolutely no regrets about that. Also, here you don't have to pay for your cameras with larger lenses. Beyond tigers at Tadoba, what makes the entire experience one of a kind is its guides and drivers. We have had safaris in so many places, but here the guides and drivers are on another level. Unlike many reserves where guides mechanically move from point to point, here they would try their best to not just spot a tiger, but will try to place you in the perfect line of sight. They are extremely dedicated to their work and they strive to give you the best wildlife experience. So, Tadoba is more than its tigers. It is its ecosystem, its management, and the people who protect it every day. We hope that never changes. By the time we reached our third safari, we were already overwhelmed by our Mamla and Lohara Gate experiences. 2 tigers in 2 safaris. For us, it was like hitting a jackpot. This was beyond anything we had dared to hope for. We arrived at Devara with zero agenda. Whatever the forest would offer, we would receive it with gratitude. Devara is considered one of the best buffer gates at Tadoba National Park, not only for tiger sightings but also for leopards and sloth bears, along with a wide variety of other animals. The landscape here is a mix of teak, bamboo, and open meadows. Because of its proximity to Moharli Core Zone, there are high chances of seeing Core Zone resident tigers in this corridor. We first made our way to the grassland area near Irai Dam, biggest dam in Chandrapur district where Tadoba National Park is located. There we saw a group of spotted deers running back to the forest after drinking water. We tracked the area hoping for alarm calls. But then within few minutes our guide received information that Madhu had been sighted. There was immediate movement. Madhu is the most famous resident of Devara zone, daughter of legendary tigress Madhuri, who is also known as the super mom of Tadoba, for successfully raising more than 19 cubs, significantly increasing the tiger population of Tadoba. Devara, Agrizari, and Adegaon gates all share the same zone, so you will see jeeps from all 3 zones navigating the same core area. so it might feel a bit crowded as all jeeps would reach the same place at once. We were joined by several other jeeps. We picked a spot and parked our jeep at the location and started waiting for her to come out of the bushes. For a while, Madhu stayed inside the tree line. Unless she comes out, it was impossible we could see her clearly. And then, after 10 minutes or so, she started her movement towards us. Now we could see a flash of orange through the bushes. Our hopes came alive. Our guide, well aware of her movement in this zone, immediately predicted her crossing point and signaled the driver. We repositioned ourselves for the best line of sight. When we finally saw her, she was moving back into the forest. She was continuously coming out and going back into the forest. It was hide and seek with her. Our guide, well aware of her movement zones, predicted potential crossing points, and we kept following her just to get her one clear glimpse. And then she finally came on track and kept walking for quite some time. But due to sheer number of vehicles, we could only see a few glimpses of her from behind. It was absolute chaos to the point that it became impossible for us to see her in peace. A few lucky jeeps got to see her glorious walk in clear view. She gave enough time to them and then she went again inside the tree lines and stopped moving.
नहीं दिखेगा.
We then decided to do what's best in a wildlife safari. Wait with lot of patience. Then we reached a place where she might cross next, and we could get an exclusive sighting of her. We waited there for an hour, and by then many jeeps had dispersed, so there was no crowd anymore. While waiting, we also saw a family of mongoose running and quickly disappearing into the forest. We remembered what our guide had said in Mamla Zone. If you see a mongoose, the chances of sighting a tiger increases. Well, we waited and waited. Now it was 5:30 in the evening. And then all of a sudden our guide heard a sambar deer calling. When sambar deer calls, it's most certain the tiger is nearby. Madhu was on the move again. We also moved further to a spot following the call direction and started waiting. She could be out and about any minute now.
वो खड़ी है यहीं पे वेट यहीं पे दिख.
आगे से
वो
आगे से
अच्छा आगे.
We then finally had a glimpse of her walking inside the tree line. But by that time, more jeeps had arrived, and now the fight for the best line of sight was on.
आ रही है.
We had her in clear view, but then our guide signaled driver to leave the spot and rush to a particular location. He had something else in his mind. We were totally confused what was going on. We were not sure if she would even walk up to that area where we were going. Well, we had no choice but to blindly trust our guide.
सामान डाल दे।
And our guide was 100% sure that she would come there. We reached that spot and waited. We held our breath expecting her any minute. And then we saw her. After being hesitant for a few seconds, she finally emerged in front of us. Nothing prepares you for the moment a wild tiger looks directly in your eyes from few meters away. Madhu gave us that moment. She walked towards us and held our gaze as if acknowledging our presence before moving on with her day. It felt less like a wildlife sighting and more like being granted an audience with royalty. This is Madhu for you, and this is why nothing else comes close to Tadoba. There are safaris when you see a tiger, and there are safaris when a tiger acknowledges you. This was the latter. One small info here, Madhu was seen mating with a tiger in Devara, so soon there may be news of her little cubs. We are so hopeful of that. After Madhu disappeared into the tall grass, we turned our attention to one of India's most elusive and rarely seen predators, the sloth bear. Primarily nocturnal by nature, daytime sightings of sloth bear are generally rare, but evenings offer the best window of possibility. On the way, we also saw a jungle grey fall and a jungle bush quail. It's a gentle reminder that Devara is not just a tiger zone, but also a zone for bird lovers. We exited the gate with no sloth bear sighting, but the forest had been generous enough by giving us beautiful moments with Madhu. Even after this, if we say Tadoba still had something waiting for us, would you believe that? See you in Aregaon.